DJT stock analysis, super interesting. Is it a buy in this 1 minute video? I'm answering that, so watch it till the end. Trump media stock or Trump media and technology stock, like, it's not necessarily like a buy like right off the rip, because we are aware that with Trump media technology group stock, like, it just really needs to give me the proof of concept, which pretty much all I'm really care about when I say proof of concept is a bullish momentum. A bullish momentum, like a simple double break is enough. That sets the trend exactly how I want to see it. So in order for me to continue to go with it, is I want to see this double break, and only then I'd really stick with it. Like anything else other than that, just pretty much noise. Guess what? I would not be interested. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping you updated. If I don't see this, then I'm not taking it higher, and I'm actually going to leave it here on the chart, you know, whatever. Waiting. If you want to learn the strategy, feel free to check the first link in the description. And like literally there is nothing else that I would try and add here. You can check it out yourself. First link in the comments or whatever. Goodbye and enjoy.